Hi, my name's Sam Cook. I'm Technical Training Manager for Rushlift, and today we're going to look at inspecting lift chain. Here at Rushlift, we train our engineers in exactly what to look for when inspecting lift chain. To assist them in the lift chain inspection, we use the FB chain gauge. Simple, easy to use, and not only tells you if the chain's worn, but it tells you how much it's worn, so we can factor in the replacement. Okay, so let's come and have a look at this chain behind me. So the first thing we need to do to see if this chain's worn is we need to know the size, or what we call the pitch of the chain. And to do that, we get our chain gauge, we take our little red arrows and we line them up with the center of the pins. When we've done that, if we go and look at our pitch scale, we see that that one says 1. That stands for 1 inch pitch. Okay, so on a 1 inch pitch chain, we need to be checking over 16 pins. So let's put our gauge on the top of one pin, and then we're going to count down 15, 16. So off the gauge up to the 16th pin, and then we're going to check the wear in the window. And you can see that's 0, which is what you would expect to see from a new chain. If that had actually gone to 2%, then we'd now start to factor in replacing this chain. If that was at 3% or above, we'd be removing this chain immediately from service. So elongation is just one of the things we need to consider when looking at chain wear. Some of the others are loose, twisted pins, or fractured or missing link plates. Other things we need to consider is pitting, which could be caused by rusting or corrosion. Edge plate wear. This will be caused by the chain rubbing against something on the mast, or possibly the roller of the chain not being free to turn. So we would replace the chain, but further investigation would be needed. Probably one of the major things we need to consider is lubrication. Lack of lubrication or no lubrication is a major factor in the premature wear of chains. So regular lubrication to prolong the life of your chain and save you money. So if your engineers require training or you just need any more information, contact us here at Rushlift.